Good morning, everyone.
Yo.
We are gonna show you, we're tripping. We're gonna show you
No, we're not tripping. She was just falling.
in the life as people who live in their camper. So we are staying at a campground in Mississippi right now. Our morning routine is to wake up and walk to the toilets after putting our warm clothes on because it's a little bit chilly. So
47.
we're gonna hit the toilets real quick.
First things first, you know?
Bathrooms here, nothing too special, but they are heated. So that's a plus. Nice and warm.
And now we walk back. Today we're just gonna kind of have like a chill day. We move out tomorrow, so we're gonna probably get some things ready to go and then edit some videos, hit the laundromat, and probably go to Planet Fitness to shower because the showers here are really cold.
Sometimes.
So
Depends on how you get it.
I think like 3 out of 4 of them. 3 out of 4 of them.
Morning.
Morning. So, not very enjoyable. Hopefully Planet Fitness is better. Cody usually makes the coffee in the morning. I'm usually still laying in bed right now, but I got up with him today. And thankfully did the dishes last night, so we had clean stuff to make our coffee with. Oh, and then we usually drop a few things because it's kind of tight. But
Those usually go over there.
well, yeah, we forgot that part last night. But yeah, so we boil our water on our little camp stove here, and then we make our coffee in the French press every day, and it's really delicious.
Then we sort of halfway make our bed, or fully by my standards, that's pretty good.
Pretty good.
And then we decide if we are gonna leave it up or leave it down or put it up for the day. Depends on what we're doing, kinda. We might.
Here today, we're gonna do some editing, so it's a little chilly. We might stay on the bed for a little while.
We'll see.
We'll see.
We don't have to make decisions. That's the fun about this, and the bad part.
Oh, she boiling. If you couldn't tell.
Some of our daily troubleshooting. We got this gray water tank a few days ago, and the piping isn't like matched up. We have 2-inch piping. This is 4-inch or 3-inch, whatever it is. So we've had some leaky type issues. We're troubleshooting, trying to figure out something that works better. Maybe we just need to get a part, but we don't know if that part even exists. So doing the best we can here.
Better than just going onto the ground.
Yeah, I guess. And we're trying to get some sun here because it's cold and we're getting yelled at by the dogs next door. So, but Cody's gonna fill up our water. We got a hose, so we didn't have to do this dumb task. But we're too far away from the water because we got a short hose. Because we're cheap. Yeah. So we're just gonna put some in today and then back up tomorrow so we can like actually use the hose for the rest of the 20 gallons. There you have it. We have like 5 gallons of water now because we were pretty much dry before, so.
Thanks, Dad, for the plumbing. Since he yelled at me for not thanking you.
I guess we forgot. I thought about it afterwards. I was like, oh yeah, he kind of helped with the plumbing and the wiring and all that. So yeah, thank you. We appreciate it. So this is one of the things we're testing out to help with our gray water drainage situation. We're just putting a jug, because that's really all we have, underneath the tubing to support it more. So there's lots of like a droop happening where the water could build up. So hopefully that'll help a little more with the flow of the water. It would be nice if it was more just like, you know, this, we could put the tank like on a downhill area, but there's not really. It's pretty flat, so. Cody's doing precarious things, trying to get up to clean the solar panels. We can use the truck, I guess, to climb up.
It's nearly as bad as I thought.
No, that wasn't too bad at all. That only took you like a few seconds. Oh, I gotta hand him the stuff. But yeah, we can use the truck, but we don't have the truck right now. It's over in a different lot.
And we can't really get next to the trailer.
That too. You'd have to like drive up outside it, so. Now he's just got some water and microfiber cloths to clean off the solar panels. Apparently you're not supposed to use water that's like a great temperature difference from the solar panels. So our water's kind of cold right now, but the solar panels shouldn't be too hot. Are they hot, babe? No, he says. So he's just gonna clean off some of the debris. Make sure they're all still tight, all the connections are there, and then clean them with a wet microfiber cloth, and then kind of dry them off with a dry one.
Here we are up top. Not really much up here, actually. I was expecting more sticks and leaves. They just got a little pollen on them, it seems like. So we'll just wipe them down and hopefully they attract more sun. All clean. Everything looks good. They're all still tight. It's good to know after about probably 900 miles on the top of the trailer that they're not rattling loose. I did Loctite everything though. So thanks Loctite for doing your job. A little public service announcement. If you're ever on top of your trailer, do not walk in the middle. And if you do walk in the middle, make sure you're standing on a roof member, truss, rafter, joist, whatever you want to call it, strut, or walk near the edge. You don't want to be standing in the middle. You won't go through, but you might put a decent sized dent in it. So just be aware where you are and don't fall off the edge. Grandma, I love you. It's only like 8 feet. I'll be fine. I'm young, I bounce.
Our day goes on. We spent like 5 hours editing videos. It was nice in the sun. We sat outside for a while and then it got cold, so we went in the camper. And Cody got a video totally done. Mine's getting there. So 2 more videos soon. And then we forgot to eat all day.
Record more of this video.
Forgot to record more of this video, so here we are. We're now on the way to Planet Fitness. Gonna take a shower, and then we're gonna go to the laundromat. We don't have much laundry to do. We did like less than a week ago, but we have enough where we're like, let's just do it, because and there's one close. We went there already. It was cheap. They have Wi-Fi, whatever, so we're just gonna do that again. And then yeah, gonna go home and make some dinner after at probably 8 or 9 o'clock at night. So well, we'll see. Anyway, our day has been really fun. It's one of those days, you know, one of those like recoup kind of days, but still good.
Yeah, we did a whole lot of recouping by editing for 5 hours. Real relaxing in the brain.
Super relaxing. I didn't even take a brain break. I always take like 50 of those.
She gets quite distracted.
Yeah.
It's okay though, you need those.
Yeah, sometimes, but also need to accomplish things, which I did today, so. All right, peace, we're gonna go shower.
All showered up at the laundromat, getting videos uploaded and laundry clean.
Katie is figuring out her
Stuff.
dumb computer. Not really. The computer is not dumb. It just doesn't have enough
Sometimes.
space for me, so I'm trying to put everything on a hard drive. I thought OneDrive was my solution, but apparently, even though you have 100 gigs of OneDrive, it's still on the computer. It still takes up 100 gigs of your computer. So,
You live and you learn.
yeah.
All done with laundry and back home. We decided instead of making breakfast for dinner, we'd go to Raisin Cane's,
Get some ching can.
get some ching can.
We figured, well,
She didn't want to make food.
I didn't want to cook. I said, let's go get something. We have gift cards.
Use them.
Use them. So thanks, Mom. You just bought us Cane's chicken.
Thanks, yo.
And we decided it was okay-ish because we've never eaten this before. It's not like something we've
Yeah.
had, you know?
It's not a fast food place that's everywhere, especially by us. So, when in Rome, I suppose.
It's alright so
And
far.
it was under
I haven't tried my
$20.
chicken yet.
So, can't really go wrong. As long as it doesn't kill us.
It's pretty
Which
good.
It shouldn't. Very crooked, also.
So,
Well, you're the one that always says it's all crooked.
this is fine. I look like a... Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right. Well, guys, you made it through a day with us in our camper life. It was pretty exciting, wasn't it? Woo! We did a lot of boring activities today, but like I said, it's one of those days. So we did some reading and some scrolling and some journaling tonight, and it's like 11 o'clock now. We're gonna get up by 8 to pack and move out tomorrow.
Get on the
so
road.
going to Sweet Home Alabama tomorrow.
Roll Tide. As they might say.
Roll Tide. Good night.